There's one. Hey guys, what's up? Here at Lake Douglas today on a family vacation. Don't have the boat, but I did bring 2 rods and a ton of fishing stuff. But I put on a popper and a 4-inch Cinco green pumpkin, and there's a ton, I don't know if y'all can see that, but a ton of topwater activity. They're blowing up everywhere. I was hoping they'd come up shallow, at least in the morning for a morning bite. Oh, there's one. Big one, big one. Good fish, good fish. Alright, he's not too big, but he's a good fish. Oh my gosh. Oh, it was not a bass. That was not a bass. That was teeth. And lots of teeth. I hope I got that on film. It looked like a gar maybe? He hit it when I was reeling in. On top of the water. There we go, guys. A little largemouth. I was not expecting that. I wasn't even popping it. I was just reeling it. Makes me kind of think maybe a buzzbait or what? Nah, we're sticking to the popper. Hold still, buddy. I'll get you back in the water. And he wasn't going nowhere. There we go. Number 1. Lost that other one. It was definitely not a bass though. Not a bad start. Let's get him back in the water. Nice and healthy. Nothing beats a little bit morning top water. Oh my gosh, I was right in the middle of it. Oh, it's that bird. Wow. Please don't eat my popper, please. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Stop. Stop. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my, where my popper got sunk? No. Oh my gosh. I shouldn't do this, but I'm going to cast back out there. Crazy bird. Oh my gosh. This idiot's going to get hooked. What you going to do now? Oh. But it got itself off like instantly, thankfully. Oh, it's a fish. Little fish. Didn't even pop it. What is this? A bluegill. Wow. Okay. Thank you, buddy. Definitely a multi-species video so far. Hooked it. I'm just gonna run the bank with this popper. See if I can't get anything. Can't figure the fish out. Sometimes they hit it on the paws, sometimes they hit it on when it's just sitting there, sometimes they hit it when I'm reeling it in. Can't figure out what. There's one. Not a bad fish, not very big either. I mean, he isn't getting off. He got both hooks. The trouble. That one that blew up on this one before was definitely bigger than this. He was a good fish. All you seen was a white back whenever he came up and hit it. It might not have been a bass, but it looked like one. Ow. Hooks. Alright guys. Number 2. These fish are kind of white looking. Don't look like there's a whole lot of vegetation. Still really healthy though. So let me go. Oh, thanks for the bath, buddy. Alright guys. The lake is down in this picture. It looks like it's at Winter Pool. But the main lake is clear out here, and I am back in McGear Creek. I think that's how you pronounce it. McGear Creek, I can't really say that. I am way back in the back of it, right here. We are staying in a little cabin, just for a few days, from Monday to Thursday. I'm gonna get up and fish every morning and probably every evening and try to get a good video. But you guys can see I am clear back in the back of this. Not really what I would prefer for this time of year, but it's not going bad. There's one. There we go, baby. Not a very big one, but still fish bass. The better one, I think the best one so far. Ow. God, that hook got me. Ouch. Calm down, buddy. Man, this fish is mean. Calm down. Man, look at that, guys. He was hooked bad. Really bad. Stop. Yeah, he got me, for sure. Stay still, buddy. I'll get you. And look, the whole trebles through his mouth. There's one hole. He definitely wasn't getting off. There we go. That's actually the biggest fish of the trip so far. He's probably about a pounder, maybe a little bit, pound and a quarter. Still really white, long, skinny. Still a fish. Good catch. Let me go. Oh, he was ready. There's one. That one feels a little better. There we go, guys. That was cool. That was really cool. Yeah, that's a better one. This one looks healthier. Oh no, he's pooping. There we go, guys. Sweet. Number 2 in the morning. I don't know why he's exactly bleeding right there. He just took a crap on me. That might be our biggest one. It's about the same size as the other one, but this one's definitely healthier. More green to it, more fat to it. Bless that. So yeah. There she goes. Another cool bite. Not bad at all for summertime shore fishing. In that short amount of time, that's actually really good. Oh. I hope y'all seen that. That was cool. But we missed him. Oh my gosh. There's one. Not paying attention at all. About the same size as the other one. There we go. Alright guys, got the lookout. Camera messed up on me. Well, I was going to end it, but then it messed up. Couldn't get it to start back. Fish crap. That's number 3 of the morning. Good morning so far, really good morning. Let's get it going and see if we can catch some more. Thank you, buddy.